Hi guys, welcome to my Hobbyking Nitro Circus 1/8 scale review. Yeah, this part is about the cons and the next part is about the pros. Yeah, let's start with the body and the paint. The paint is too thin, too sensitive, and scratches really easy, and the body break also really easy. It's not really thin, but it breaks easy. Next thing, the body posts. The body posts are wobbly just right out of the box. Not the best solution in my opinion. The Traxxas solution or the Proline solution for Traxxas is way better. Next thing, the spare parts are only available in the Hobbyking International Warehouse, or it's maybe an option if you live in Europe in a German online shop called WT Models. Yeah, all links to really everything from the shop to Hobbyking and RC groups, forums, and other reviews from other people. That's everything, really everything in the video description. Yeah? So make sure to check out the description. Next thing, shock rod ends. Yeah? The rod ends are here, yeah? Right here, and they break pretty easy too. Yeah, I had this problem 2 or 3 times. Yeah, I came in from a jump like this. Yeah, and the rod end broke. Yeah, I think it's not really made for such a big and heavy truck. It's more made for a buggy or truggy. Huh? Next thing, I had problems with extreme wear on this gear here. Yeah? This little gear. Yeah? I don't know why. Maybe because of too high tolerances or maybe bad quality. Yeah? As I mentioned before, I don't know why. But the other gears are okay. Tires. The tires are crap. Yeah? This is my second truck and the second or third batch of the Hobbyking Nitro Circus. It's way better than the first batch, yeah? Which came with really bad glue joints here. Yeah? The paint came off on the first batch, yeah? And I had some problems with right here, yeah, where the rubber meets the rim. Yeah, I hope you can see that. But I'm not going to drive these tires because I have the Canyon AT from the Traxxas Summit. Yeah, no grip at all. It's just crap. Yeah, they look good, but no grip. Unprotected motor. Yeah, if you drive in wet conditions, the water goes into here, yeah, to the motor and to the ball bearings, yeah, and you have to protect the ball bearings against water and prevent rusty bearings. Yeah. Maybe with tape or a balloon. Next thing, the diff oil. Yeah, it's really easy explained. There is no diff oil in all diffs. Yeah, it's only grease, and you have to add a diff oil. I recommend 200,000. Yeah, in all diffs. At least, yeah, but 400,000 or even silly potty is better. By the way, I have a silly putty in all my divs all around, and it works really nice. Yeah, no problems at all. The servo. Yeah, if you buy a Hobbyking Nitro Circus, you always get a broken servo, or you break the servo and the first run, yeah, because it's such a crap. Yeah, but the only thing you have to do is contact Hobbyking. They send you a replacement. In my case, it's the Turnkey Trackstar TS, I believe 901. Yeah, no problem. Just write an email and send it to Hobbyking. They send you a replacement. Replace the servo. That's it. Yeah, it's so easy. And that's it with my review. I hope you enjoyed the review. It was helpful for you, and see you next time. Bye.